Welcome to the YouTube channel from the company SCHURZ in Austria, and I proudly present two new devices which we produced for cranes. So what are the devices are used? Our customer produce pipes, and these pipes will be winded onto steel drums. The steel drums are very big and have a weight of maximum of 8 tons. Now the problem is to put out these heavy drums with the winded ropes out from the production machine and to put a new empty one into the machine. The problem is that the machine is positioned in a security area. So that means if a person would go inside this area, the machine stops. And to start the machines, it needs some hours, and that is a lost time. And to avoid this, we produced these special devices. How it works? These devices will be hooked on the crane of the customer. Then this device will be lifted with the crane over this steel drum. And if this device is positioned correctly, the customer or the user can be move out these two bolts to fix the drum onto this device. This device is driven completely automatically. That means we do not need to change something on the crane, or we do not need an electric power from the crane, because we have there two batteries on this device. This device will be driven with a remote control system, and so it is can be used without any energy from the outside. I will show you now how it works. To start the system, you have here a central switch which activate this system. Further, you have to activate the remote control, and which is easy done by pushing two buttons. And then you have the two function buttons. The first is to move out the bolts. If you can hear, there is an optical and acoustic signal which shows the user that the bolts are correctly outside and the drum is correctly secured. If that not will be correctly, then the signal would be activated continuously. So if you want to drive in the bolts, you have to push two buttons in reason of the security, that nothing happens, or if the user make a mistake, that the drum will not fall out of the device. So you have to use two hands, first to push the security button, and the second the function button. And if the bolts are correctly out of the steel drum, then the signal will be off. Yes, that is the function of these devices. I hope you like it, and please push the like button, and if you like, then you can follow us also via Facebook.